Let f of x equals 2 times 3 to the x. Find the limit as x approaches infinity of its inverse. All right, so I'm not going to find the inverse. I don't really want to. This is what I see here. I have something in the form f of x equals a times b to the x, and the b is above 1, which means, oh, and also the a is above 1, which means this is an example of exponential growth. So a quick picture of that would look a little something like this, give or take. Now, the inverse is going to be the reflection over the y equals x axis, which means if I were to reflect that, the inverse is going to look a little something like this. Not perfect, but you get the idea. Now, my purple line, which looks like that, is always going to keep going up and to the right. Yes, it's going to become less steep as it moves along. Okay, it's going to increase at a decreasing rate, but it's still always going to increase. So this will always be going up and to the right. And so since it's still always going up and to the right, my limit is going to approach infinity. So the limit of the inverse is going to be infinity. Now, if you wanted to, you could graph this and find out that it would be a positive log, blah, 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 blah. But you know what? I wanted to do it this way, and hey, you watched the video, so you can't stop me.